Hey there, my name's Andrew Rains. I'm the president of Apex Pro and co-founder as well. Thanks for joining us and watching this tutorial. The videos in this playlist cover everything you need to know about the new Apex Pro app. Now, there are two Apex Pro mobile applications. One is the original Apex Pro Legacy app that you'll find only on the Apple iOS App Store. And that app was developed originally in about 2016 and carries through about 2023 with active support. In 2022, we launched a new application that's affectionately called Apex Pro New. That will be found both on the iOS Apple App Store and the Google Play Store for Android devices. This new app takes all of our learnings from thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of data that we've recorded and seen people interact with the original Apex Pro app, and we put that into this new app. Now, it's definitely been a bumpy road to get it completely bug-free, but as of the filming of this video, October 19th, 2024, the bug reports that we get back from Apple and Google and the user cases and reports that we get back from the users group and emails indicate that it's working very well. The number of sessions that are being recorded is very high, and the number of bugs that we have is extremely low. It seems to be functioning better than the legacy app as far as reliability and performance goes at this point. So we're excited to begin to share more information about how to use the new app. There's been a lack of tutorial content so far, and so this is to kind of correct that and provide everything that you need to know, or at least the fundamentals of using the new app. So check out the sequence of videos that will come along after this intro video, and we'll hit all the highlights of the new app. Now, just from a high level, the things that are very different about this new app that you might want to take into consideration as you begin to use it are that the lap timer screen is totally different, much easier to get started driving a session, connecting to your Apex Pro, selecting the track, getting the unit calibrated, and timing data. Much simpler with the new app. It is different than the legacy app. If you're very used to the legacy app, it's going to take a few weekends of use, maybe just a session or two, really, but it is different. But I promise once you get used to it, it's much quicker to get going. It's much easier to start your session, save your session. And so the new app was really designed to put an emphasis on getting started quickly, as well as displaying laps more clearly on the lap timer. You easily see delta time right there on the main lap timer. So that's not part of the lap timer plus subscription anymore. So there's no subscription required to see predictive delta time on the Apex Pro lap timer. The subscription allows you to record video and render data widgets over that video. This is also very easy to do. Data review looks much different than on the legacy app, but I really like how it's been done. I think we put all of our knowledge from the original data review components into this new app data review. So give it a shot. It's really, really good. It's easier to compare sessions. You'll just have to get used to some new icons, and hopefully the videos in this tutorial will walk you through how to do that. Lastly, there's a community section that is very similar to the old crew view functionality in the legacy app. You can use that to see who's on track in real time, who are the leaderboard drivers at every racetrack where we have data submitted. It's really fun to poke around and see who's fast, see who's the fastest driver at the tracks that you care about, and watch people on track in real time. In order to take advantage of that, I urge you to set up your profile when you log in. You can transfer data over from the old app, or you can start fresh with the new app. It's fairly easy to transfer sessions between the two applications. And so you can even easily compare data with someone who's using the legacy app, even if you're using the new app. So overall, we tried to really tether the legacy and the new app together and allow you to choose which one to use. If you're new to the Apex Pro world, the new app is the way to go. It's very seamless, great functionality. Thank you for your business and buying the Apex Pro Gen 2 hardware or using the Apex Pro lap timing tools. Make sure to check out the accessories like our Motorsport phone mount and the suction mount for mounting your Apex Pro, and hopefully we'll see you at the track soon.